When you take drugs, there is occasional short-term stomach discomfort. However, ignoring persistent digestive issues such as frequent indigestion, diarrhea, and loose stools is extremely dangerous, especially if you also have bloody stools. These are symptoms of intestine or colon cancer, but because many people are unaware of them, they are often ignored. This is the reason why it is very important to get yourself checked up on a regular basis. Regular checkups can prevent the chance of cancer getting to an advanced stage. 1. Modifications in bowel movements, such as persistent diarrhea and constipation, don't improve despite treatment. 2. Another indication of colon cancer is a constant need to go to the bathroom or a feeling that you can't completely empty your bowels, tenesmus. 3. Your stool has dark flecks in it. 4. Diarrhea or long, thin, stringy pencil-like stools. 5. You might experience constant stomach aches and stomach bloating. 6. An unexpected loss of appetite or weight loss. 7. Red blood cell deficiency or anemia may develop as a result of intestinal bleeding. When blood is lost, anemia develops. 8. Mild to severe cramps and pain in the pelvis that should not be mistaken for menstrual pain.